5 Best Side Hustles in 2025. Looking to boost your income in 2025? Whether you're saving for a goal or escaping the 9 to 5, these 5 side hustles could help you earn thousands a month, starting today. Side hustle number 1. AI prompt engineering. With AI tools like ChatGPT booming, prompt engineers are in high demand. You get paid to craft effective prompts for better AI responses. You can earn from $50 to $150 per prompt, especially in marketing, sales, and tech industries. Side hustle number 2. Remote online notary. In 2025, many states now allow notarization entirely online. With proper certification, you can notarize documents from home. Remote notaries earn $25 to $100 per session, and you set your own hours. Side hustle number 3. Licensing. AI-generated content. You can use AI tools to create art, music, or short videos and license them on platforms like Shutterstock, Pond5, or Etsy. One strong digital asset can generate passive income for months or even years. Side hustle number 4. Micro SaaS development. No-code tools let you build small, useful software apps without being a developer. Solve a niche problem, and you could earn $500 to $5,000 per month in recurring revenue. Side hustle number 5. Digital product flipping. Buy underperforming digital assets like ebooks or templates, improve them, and relist for profit. Think of it as flipping houses, but fully online, with no physical inventory. Side hustles in 2025 are smarter, digital first, and scalable. Which one will you try first? Like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite side hustle idea.